How to download the Chipotle app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Here, click on the search bar at the top and search Chipotle. You'll find all these options pop up. You'll find Chipotle of your country. And make sure it's by Chipotle Mexican Grill. It is the official Chipotle app. You can simply click on it and then install it from here. I've already installed, so there's an open option, but you can simply click on install here and install the app. And this is how to download the Chipotle app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.